Okay guys, I'm just going to be reviewing or just checking out the ZR13 Harbor Freight code reader. And we're in my truck right here. It's a 2002 Ford Ranger. And just wanted to go show you guys some of the features. One thing I thought was cool is that it's got an LED light there so you can see when you're trying to hook it in. And you can update this obviously on your computer. I did that today. The latest update is a 2018 update. They do update it yearly, so. And yep, that's my vehicle. I have one check engine light up there. You can see, and it has fix assist, which I think is really cool. It'll try to tell you how you can fix the check engine light. I'm not a mechanic by any means, but I do work on a lot of vehicles and buy them and sell them, but I think that's pretty cool, the fix assist. But then you can go, let me go and turn the truck on. You hit live data. And you can read all this kind of information off your vehicle. I'll tell you the RPM and everything. Obviously you have a tachometer which will tell you that, but all this information. Like I said, I'm not a mechanic, so some of this I don't know what it means, obviously, but there's just lots of information on here you can check out. And excuse my truck squeaking. I need to fix that at some point. You can go to here, the DTC. You can go here and check out all this kind of stuff, the ABS. And that went to my ABS, or no, my SRS. And it told me something about my seat belts earlier, I believe. Yeah, there's that. Yeah, the belt retractor low. So yeah, it's pretty cool, guys. Like, you can go to your information here. I just think it's very cool. But I mean, it feels, I mean, I've only had a couple days, but it seems to be very durable, and you can do alternator tests, all kinds of stuff. Battery set, just very handy. But I think it's really cool, and you should definitely, if you work on vehicles and looking to buy a code reader, I would definitely recommend this code reader here. I think it's very cool. And there's one over this called the ZR Pro, and it's like $1,300. This one's like $200, I believe is what I paid for it at Harbor Freight. So I think this is probably what you want if you're not a real mechanic. But yeah, it's also got the smog status. I've got my evap cylinder, or evap solenoid malfunction, so it's on that. There's green there, and then there's yellow right there, and the green is when it's good. But it's a very, very handy tool. I think it's very good for the money. But yeah, that's it, guys. Tell me what you think about it in the comments, and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.